it. To understand this, watch the following play which deals with an incident in the life of Siddhartha. Characters: Shuddhodana, the king of Kapilavastu; Siddhartha, the prince of Kapilavastu; Devadatta, Siddhartha's king; the chief minister and other four ministers of the king, the guards, and the swan. Now 8th class students coming to enact the drama of the swan and the princess on this stage for you watch and enjoy.
Our beautiful Parashidis, where is my hand? I want the hand. Where is my hand? Where is my hand?
This man is injured. I saved its life.
My hand.
Devata, this is a my swan.
No, this is my hand.
No, this is a my swan.
No, this is my hand.
No, this is my swan.
Don't quarrel. Don't quarrel.
This is my swan.
No, Siddhartha, this is my hand.
No, Devata, this is my swan.
Siddhartha, don't quarrel. Siddhartha, don't quarrel. No, this is my hand.
This is a my swan.
Let's go to the king to solve this problem. Let's go to the king to solve this problem.
The king of the king, the king Kapilavastu, the king is arriving. Long live the king, long live the king, long live the king, long live the king, long live the king.
My dear courtiers, please be seated. Long live the king. Sir, Prince Devadatta wants to come in.
Bring him in.
Long live the king.
I wonder why Prince Devadatta wants to see the king at this time.
Perhaps he wants to complain against someone. Long live the king. What is it, Devadatta? Why have you come to me at this time?
Sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want justice for you.
Be calm, Devadatta. Has Siddhartha taken your swan from you?
Yes, he has shot and it fell on the ground near the prince. He picked up and would not give to me.
That's very naughty of Siddhartha. Go and call him. Long live the king.
The prince is a good lad. He can't do anything that wrong.
बारकीच्या मोबाईल फोटो काढ म्हणून सांग फोटो काढ म्हणून सांग बारकीच्या मोबाईलमध्ये अयो
Long live the king. Prince Siddhartha, Devadatta says you have taken his son. Is that so which you took from him?
Your Highness, Devadatta complained about this swan, but it is not his swan, it's mine.
No, your highness. It is mine. I shot the swan. Siddhartha is telling a lie.
Be calm, Devadatta. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right?
Yes, sir. That's quite right.
What do you say, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours?
Your Majesty, Devadatta shot this swan, but I saved its life. That's why it's mine.
Here. Listen, Siddhartha, a Kshatriya can't give up what he has shot. Do you agree with me?
Yes, I do, sir. But the Kshatriya can't give up a supplant either. This swan came to me for protection. I can't give it up.
निखिल सर
Your
हसायला
highness.
लागले गं.
This is injustice. I shot the swan, so it's mine.
मम्मी निखिल
Well,
सर
I am
हसायला
puzzled. It's a strange case. I don't know how to decide it. Can you help me?
I will try, Your Highness.
Very well, then go ahead.
Prince Siddhartha and Prince Devadatta, please listen to me. Prince Devadatta says that the swan because he had shot it, and Prince Siddhartha says that it is because he saved its life. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
No, it is a my aunt.
My friend.
No, it is a my aunt.
Devadatta, there is another way to decide this case. Prince Devadatta, please put the swan on the stool. Prince Devadatta, please come forward and ask the swan. Come to you.
Come to me, oh swan, come.
That went to Prince Devadatta. Now it's your turn to call the swan Prince Siddhartha.
Dear friend, don't be afraid. I have come to you. Come and sit the man.
Your Highness, the swan has decided the case.
It has indeed. We accept the decision. The swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha.
Long live the long live the Prince Siddhartha. Long live the Prince Siddhartha. Long live the king. Long live